This Remax Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. You will love this 3-bedroom model built in 2005. New roof 2020. Split bedrooms allow privacy when friends and family arrive. Light and bright interior boast of easy car new flooring. Roomy chef's kitchen and interior laundry. Relax outside in your screened porch while grilling on the back patio. Bonus, the owner has agreed to include the furniture. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.